JBC's advanced technology is a new philosophy in soldering, a single heater sensor piece capable of carrying out the most demanding of applications. Our exclusive heating system, which achieves an exceptional thermal recovery, allows soldering at a lower initial temperature. Quality of soldered joints is improved by over 80%. The startup test measures the rate of heating of each system. While a conventional station requires anything between 10 and 90 seconds to heat up, JBC reaches 350 degrees C in only 6 seconds. The multiple solder joint test measures the capability of the system to effectively carry out a series of consecutive solder joints. Other manufacturers attempt to increase the response time by adopting aggressive controls that in some instances overload the cartridge. If the tip temperature overshoots the set temperature, electronic component damage could occur and the tip life is adversely affected. The superior thermal response of JBC results in a higher average temperature throughout the entire soldering process than that of the competitors, and as such the total time required to carry out the work is reduced and better quality joints are assured. All JBC stations are thermoregulated. The user easily selects the desired operating temperature and the system ensures the tip temperature remains constant. The sleep mode feature reduces the tip temperature when the handpiece is placed in the stand. This reduces oxidation and extends tip life by up to 5 times. Hibernation is a deeper state of rest than sleep and results in cutting power to the cartridge while the system still detects its presence. The ease and speed of changing cartridges, together with the fast heat-up rate of the JBC system, makes it possible to effectively carry out different soldering tasks by simply changing the cartridge.